Hey everybody, this is 8-3. Similar triangles for the angle similarity. Okay, so A stands for angles, S stands for sides, and since there's two A's, angle. All right, let's get into it. Let's see, I'm on page 477 in your workbook. Okay, so let's see. So don't forget, for triangles or any kind of polygon really to be similar, two things have to happen. The angles that are corresponding have to be congruent to each other, and the sides have to be proportional to each other. In other words, they have to have the same scale, same scale factor. Okay, example number one. What we got here, it says determine whether the triangles are similar. Explain your reasoning. Okay, so angle L is congruent to angle L. All right, well, that's angle L is congruent to itself. So what's it when something's equal to itself? Is that reflexive? I think it's reflexive. Oh me, like totally second guessing myself. Yeah, I'm gonna go with reflexive. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Okay, been a long time. All right, angle LPQ, LPQ. What's that going to be match up? All right, so that's going to go to angle LJK because they're corresponding angles. So angle LJK. All right, got that. All right, so by corresponding angles and their reflexive property, two angles are congruent to each other. All right, therefore the two triangles are similar. So triangle LPQ similar to triangle LJK. And you got one triangle sitting inside the other. Okay. All right, we got a check at the bottom of the page. Determine whether the triangles are similar. Explain your reasoning. All right, two things have to happen. The angles have to be the same, so that's what I'm going to check first. All right, I've got a 90-degree angle. Match it up to a 90-degree angle. So far, so good. That 44, I guess I got to see if that angle is 44. And if this one's 47, I got to see if angle A is 47. All right, so 180 minus 90 and 44 is minus 90 minus 44. Well, it's not 47. It's 46. All right, so these are not similar. Not similar triangles. The angles are not even congruent to each other. So, not similar. All right, turn the page. All right, okay, example number 2. And strangely enough, our last example is a word problem. All right, so DeMarco is teaching Tay how to play handball. Tay prefers to return the ball on a serve when it bounces to a height of 42 inches. When DeMarco serves the ball, where should he aim for the ball to hit the front wall to ensure that it bounces at the short line and up to Tay, standing 11 feet behind the short line? Okay, I'm lost already. Assume that the angles formed by the path of the bouncing handball are congruent. All right, I have to look down here. Okay, so look, I've got two similar, or what appears to be two similar triangles. All right, so this little pink triangle, L, ooh, that's feet. Okay, this is inches, 42 inches, and then there's the hypotenuse, and I got 25 feet, X feet, and then there's your hypotenuse. All right, well, I'm a visual person, so I needed to see it. Okay, create and design, describe the model. Thank you, Lord. There it is. Okay. All right, so Tay's going to hit the ball at a height of 42 inches. Now, don't forget, we're going to have to eventually change that to feet because we have a 25 feet, an X feet, and 11 feet. The 42 is not going to go. We're going to change that to feet by dividing by 12. Okay, let's see here. You're given the angles formed by bouncing handball are congruent. The front wall forms a 90-degree angle. I mean, yeah, there it is, y'all. It even looks like it's a right angle. All right, with the ground, and the height to which the ball bounces forms a 90-degree angle with the ground. All right, they're talking about over here, 90-degree angle. All right, therefore, the two triangles are similar by the angle similarity. Okay, so because the two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional. All right, so they do 11 ground distance with 25 ground distance, which means I've got to do 42 inches with X feet. Now, don't forget, I got to change inches to feet because I cannot compare two things that are in different. Oh, my brain has shut down. Measurements, yeah. So I'm going to take that 42, divide by 12, because there are 12 inches in a foot, and I end up with 3.5 feet. So we're going to change that to feet, 3.5 feet. All right, now I'm ready to cross multiply. So 11 times x is 11x. 25 times 3.5 is 87.5. The opposite is to divide by the 11. So it looks like it's going to be, what do they want me to round to? What am I rounding to, people? It doesn't say. I don't see where it says. Okay, so I'm going to round 7.95. I guess that's just going to have to be good enough. 7.95 because I don't see, unless I'm looking over it. And I'm having an off day on my talking and math, so it very well may say it. I just don't see it. All right, 7.95, you guys. All right, so we are done with 8-3 because the practice is what's coming up next. So I'm leaving that to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Ask your teacher. That's what they get paid to help with. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.